Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on pound USD. Quickly here on this style, the daily time frame, we could see price opened up with a huge gap and it's closing it up right now. And quickly, I just want to highlight that this week the two things might just occur. We could see price come all the way to 1.85 region, covering up the downward last week and making a retest of this region before we could continue downward, or basically, or we could just see price break back into this region and then continue downward to 32. As simple as that. Then if we come over here on the 1 hour time frame on this style, currently we opened with a gap and it's closing it right now. We're closing up this gap, so we could see what's going on right there. A close of this gap, we might probably see price continue downward, or we could see price come all the way to this region before a continuation to the downside. We'll watch what price does, and it's just 2 hours. It's 2 hours into market open, and let's see what price has for us at the end of Asian session going into London session. At that point we'll decide what would happen with pound USD. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. For now, I'm expecting a retracement to this region, a pullback, and then a continuation later on. Catch you guys. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on pound USD. It's Wednesday and it's currently 2 minutes before the London session. Currently we saw that price opened with a gap on Monday and we made some pips covering that gap, and also had some beautiful sales around this region. That was yesterday. We got some pips, closed some passes around this region and TP around this region. Currently we could see price, and I actually mentioned on Monday that a break of this region back again, we will see price roll down all the way to probably 31 region, right? As we could see in this markup here on the daily time frame perspective in this style. All right, going forward in this London session, what I'm expecting is probably a little pullback to form a 50% retracement on the FEB ratio, and we could see price continue down. Or we could see that price rejected this region here and it's rejecting it here. We could see price probably come all the way back to 33.60, 33.70 region before continuing downward. Yeah, so two things I'm expecting: continuation of the bearish trend, or a little pullback. Whichever way, we might see at the end of this week probably price will come all the way to 32.00. Otherwise, a break of this region is a very critical region right now, 34.40. A break of 34.40, then we could see price come all the way to 35.00, and after that we could decide where price would go. All right. I won't forget to mention that on Monday I had this FEBUARY retracement level before market opened, that price will actually come back all the way to 35.00, right? Basically, as you could see, price changes and we are seeing new structure. So basically what I'm expecting so forward is a break of this region and we'll see price pull down to 32, or a little pullback here, and then we'll also see continuation of that of price. Or if we finally see a break of this region before Friday, then we'll see price come all the way to 35. I'll catch you guys on Friday. Ciao. Hello guys, welcome to weekly tracking here on pound USD. Let me take some of these things out right here, because actually I was so pissed at myself because I watched this price leave me right there. It was the price I was anticipating, but I was anticipating price to come all the way to this point to drop a week, then I'll enter confidently, but it didn't. Let me go back. I need that one. Can't do it. So what I'm expecting on pound USD is, if you notice, is price opened this week. We've been consolidating between 32.73 region and 34.37 region of these regions, right? I'll be able to grab some pips within these regions right now. So currently, two things. Price might just want to continue to the upside. I'm still expecting price to actually come to 135 region as stated earlier. Then if I pull up my Fibonacci retracement for this move, 1, 2, 3, right? So we have 0 here, and then the beginning point here. So price has come into 61.8 region, and I could probably in the London session in 5 minutes decide to go into this trade for buys and see price come to support my total TP at 135.00. If that plays out, that will be perfect. So I'm expecting a buy. I'll be going in for a buy, but probably into the London session price might still want to jump into this region a little bit to make it a perfect inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? And then we'll see price push up for the rest of the day. Otherwise, trust me, let me see if I go into a buy trade here at 32.20, stop loss at 32.95. That's 25 pips, perfect. And then we'll have a TP at 35. That's a very perfect, decent risk to reward ratio on longs right here. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, that region. Yeah, 26 pips. That's a perfect, decent risk to reward 6 RR. But if I decide to avoid any collateral damage and put my stop loss at this point, it's still okay, but it's way above the number of pips I usually like to risk, 50 pips. Yeah, all right, I'll see you guys on Monday. Let's see how this price plays out. Ciao.